In this activity, we will be studying the BODMAS rule as applied to integers. The objective of this activity is to strengthen the understanding of the implementation of BODMAS rule on positive and negative numbers. Let's see what is the concept of this activity. So when we say BODMAS, it consists of 6 alphabets written in a particular order. The B here attains priority and that stands for the brackets. So whenever there are brackets in an expression, we have to first remove the brackets. And then comes the sequence of operations, which is the division, the multiplication, the addition, and finally the subtraction. So if many operations out of these four are there in the simplification expression, we have to perform them in this sequence. So division first, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. The materials required for performing this activity are flashcards on which we will be writing the integers from -10 to +10. So we will be including the 0 also. And then we will have some more flashcards with operators. That means we will be writing plus on one flashcard, minus, multiply and divide on other flashcards. Then we require a hardboard for supporting the chart paper and marker to write. Let's see how we can perform this activity using these different material. To perform this activity on BODMAS applied to integers, we require this observation table where we have the serial number, the expression which is formed by choosing the numbers and the operations from the flashcards, and then the step-by-step solution and the final answer. So what are we going to do here? This is the first trial. So I'll write 1 here and then I will start choosing the operations and the integers. All these integers flashcards are from I've taken it from 10 to -10. All the integers are written on the flashcards. So we will place it upside down so that there is no bias, and this is also upside down. Now I'll select one number from here. This comes out to be 1, so I'll write the 1 here, and then the operation from the these 4 flashcards, let's choose one. This is multiply, so we will write multiply, and then another number from here, let's say this number, that is 3, so I will write the 3 here, and then we need the operation. Let's say the operation comes out to be minus. Here we have the minus sign, and then let's choose one from here. We have -10, so we will write in bracket -10, and then we have the operation, say we have the operation divide, so we will put the divide sign, and then we will choose one integer from this stack. Here we have 2, so we will write 2 here, and finally one more operation. This is plus, and then one more number which comes out to be -5. So this completes our expression, and now we have to solve this expression to get the final answer. So as you know, the sequence of operations are DMAS, which is starting with divide. So we will be dividing these two in the first step. So 1 into 3 will be as such, and then -10 divided by 2 is -5, so I'll put that in the bracket, and then plus -5. So now the expression reduces to this. Next up we have the multiply, so let's multiply 1 and 3, so that will give me 3, and then minus and minus becomes plus, because we can't have two signs together, so we have to combine them into a single sign. Then plus and minus is minus, and finally the 5. Next we have the addition, so that gives me 3 plus 5, 8, and then the -5, and so 8 minus 5 becomes 3, which is your final answer for this step. Now you can repeat this process for the second time, for the third time, as many times as equivalent to the time available to you for this activity, and you can use the remaining flashcards and the same operation flashcards in the second and third attempt, and that completes your activity on the use of BODMAS on integers.